everyone. Welcome back to Self-Reflection Sunday. It's been a while that we.
It's been a long
It's
while.
been a long time.
It may have been a full month, actually.
That's right, since our last episode.
Yeah.
And there's been a lot that's happened over that time.
So much. We've been so busy working on all these different projects. So.
A lot of projects circulating. So here's a brief rundown of our life over the time since the last episode that we recorded. Sorry that we've been away for that long length of time. We're going to do our best to record more episodes and share with you what's going on. We've started off a few businesses. I purchased an RV, and so we're starting what we call Empathy RV. It's going to be a rental company. We also started off Empathy Collection, which is going to be focused on
health and wellness and holistic medication.
That's right, dietary supplements.
Featuring a line of CBD products.
We're going to focus on CBD products. You're going to learn about this in the coming days, coming weeks. But I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day like we are. We're out here in Bolsett State Beach in Seal Beach, California. It's a beautiful day. And what better time, what better day to record video, our podcast, and catch up with you guys. So feel free to leave a comment, subscribe, and share this video. Your comments will give us an idea on what kind of contents that you're interested in.
Yeah.
So, all right.
So,
today we're going to be talking to you. We're going to focus on, let's see, what are we going to talk about? It's kind of
something that's been going around, is a college education actually worth it?
Is college education worth it?
First of all, talk about that one thing that you just now saw on the internet.
Oh, with what?
With that one guy who paid off everyone's loans or something.
All right, so I was reading an article about Robert Smith. If you don't know him, he's a billionaire guy who made his money through investing in software and tech. A billionaire black man. He had to give a recent commencement speech at the 2019 graduating class of Morehouse College. And during his speech, he surprised the entire school by offering to wipe out the student loans of that graduating class. I mean, that's amazing. That's philanthropic on a different level. I mean, for a class of 400 students, you're talking about anywhere around easily $40 million, or maybe to wipe out the entire class of student loans. I don't know what you think about that. I think that's great.
That's so great. Well, it's great for those kids who had a lot of loans, and that's how they were able to pay for their education. It might make some other people mad.
That's what this is the crazy part. This is why in human beings you can't satisfy everybody. While on the surface of this is probably the best thing he has ever done.
Those kids have a bright future.
Exactly.
They don't have to start in debt.
He's taken off the burden from a lot of kids.
But then again,
on the other side, on the flip side,
kids who decided that they were going to start college and they were going to be smart about their finances. They weren't going to take out any loans, and they were going to work full time and take full time classes and just hustle their whole way through school. Those kids are probably really mad right now.
Yeah, there's a lot of pissed
off. They didn't have to work out that hard.
This is where
and
the
like
conversation.
all their other friends who were just taking out all these loans and then doing their own thing, whatever they were just relaxed throughout school. Those kids got off the hook. They don't have to pay any of that back.
I worked full time during my nursing school. I mean, it was from work straight to classes, like that for 4 years. And if I was in a situation where I was in that class and I paid my way through school, and some billionaire decides to wipe everybody else's student loans,
you're gonna be mad for a while, I think.
That would make me pissed off.
Oh man.
I'll be pissed off because, you know.
No, but you worked so hard, they didn't, and in the end, no one has debt. So why did you work so hard? But then again, no one could have predicted that.
can't predict it. You
I mean,
can't.
it's just-
Nobody
it's
knew
their
this was
luck.
gonna happen.
So that's great. Good
That
for
this
them.
is a
Good for you
perfect.
too.
This is an ideal lesson of the way life runs. You only have control of today. You have no control of tomorrow, and you can't bet and say you can't get mad about the outcomes of the future. You just deal with it and move on. Life's not fair. Okay, there are people who are born into billions. Donald Trump is making jokes about him getting his father giving him $1 million head start in life. Do you know how many people will never even make $1 million in their lifetime, let alone getting that as a head start from your father?
A lot of kids, especially in this generation, they start their lives off in debt because they went to college.
Yeah.
And they had to get student loans. So not only does almost no one get that $100 million to start their life, or that $1 million to start their life,
I still think it's
start off in
really,
debt.
I still think it's really cool what Robert Smith did.
Yeah.
You know, you just take
That's great.
whichever side of that coin you fall on, just take it as life and move on. So dialing back to what brought up the conversation is
worth it.
is college worth it? My opinion, college today, the way it's set up, if you're not pursuing any one of the STEMs or like science, tech, engineering, or math, if you're not pursuing any one of those or any degree that immediately guarantees you a job right out of school, don't even forget about it. You're wasting your time, you're wasting your money. You're a college professor. What do you
Yeah,
think?
that's true. I am a college professor.
You forget?
I should be saying something right now.
Go ahead.
Well, I think that the whole school system needs to change because the way it's set up is, it's just messed up the way that most of what I'm supposed to do as a professor, because I teach healthcare management courses, and so I'm teaching them a bunch of book work, a bunch of concepts in healthcare management. And while this is good critical thinking, and these are great concepts that they may need in the future if they become executives, they should have a good overview of how the whole healthcare delivery system in America works. Like maybe health policy, as a master's program, maybe they want to help change the system in the United States. That's also another reason. Okay,
So we're at this point where we have to make a decision. It's a call. It's a 50-50 call. Do we agree or not agree that college is worth it? Yes or no? Yes or no?
See, the thing is,
Okay.
it just needs to, I think that we should have we need to have an institutional system of higher learning, but it needs to be different from what it is. Way different. We need to be training people and giving them the skills and the competency to actually have the specific jobs that they're trying to get. Not teaching them all this philosophy and all this knowledge and these concepts on a certain topic and making them professionals on something like art history that really isn't necessarily going to benefit them in the future. It's not really going to get them a job. It's great to learn that's cool, and if you love that topic, it's great to study, but that's not going to get you into a job. And if you're going to college because you think that you need a degree to get you a better job, then it doesn't work.
So college is not worth it. You're wasting your time
The way
and money.
that it's working right now, it isn't really worth it. You can start your life and get your life going and make income in a variety of different ways. And it doesn't have to be
If you're not
college.
pursuing science, tech, engineering, or math, any other science degrees or health science degrees like doctor, nursing, legalities,
You're not an
if
engineer,
you're not pursuing a degree that will get you a job right out of school, you're wasting your time and money.
unless you don't care about that, and maybe you were in school to learn just about a topic. That's cool. But most people in America do go to college because they're trying to get into a really good job. not studying one of those topics, then you're probably wasting your time. You're wasting your money.
All right, so let's wrap this up.
Yeah.
Thank you all for joining us in this beautiful day. Again, this is Bolsa Chica State Beach. It's Seal Beach, California. It's beautiful. You can, if you have an RV and you're looking for a really nice place to park your RV and spend the night, this is probably the park for you because it's right at it's beachfront and you can have
all the amenities that you need for your RV, and it's great.
So, like I said, feel free to leave a comment down below. And subscribe to the podcast and share with us so we can talk. I'd like to build a community here where we exchange ideas and we conversate and share our lives together. Right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Let's do.
So until next time, keep living with empathy and compassion. Keep being of service to others because that is how you live a purposeful life and keep being great. See you next time. Have a good one.